This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.4-liter V8, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a cooled driver's seat which creates a 360-degree air-conditioned environment, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: memory settings for the seat's position so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, air conditioning, steering wheel mounted controls, a premium sound system, performance tires, running boards, rear curtain airbags, memory settings for the side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 54,000 miles. The Ford Pre-Owned certification includes a 172-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Krieger Auto Group is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 3205 North Highway 61 in Muscatine.